Next is our double swing. It's 2 hands, 2 bells. If you don't have 2 of the same size bells like I have here, you can use different size bells and switch up halfway through your swing so you get that heavier side and the lighter side kind of equal. It's actually kind of good for your body. What I like about doubles is that your core has to do a little bit more stabilizing to swing 2 separate weights. So obviously here I'm doubling my weight. So I've gone from a 20-pound swing to a 40-pound swing. So make sure that you're aware of that when you start swinging. It feels like, oh, doubles, but it's extra weight. I like to set my bells up at a V when I'm looking down at them. The handles form a V because I want to bring my thumbs pointing backwards or like so when I swing. I got them thick inner thighs, and so I need to create some space. I'm going to bring my hands together like this. I have people who swing both bells like this. It just really depends on how your body works. So this is what I found works best for me. Here we go. Those bells flatten out on top. Keep that nice deep hip hinge. And let me show you from the other side. Create that V. And here we go, a nice deep hike and stand. I can feel the unevenness of my body strength working against me. We're all a little bit stronger on one side than the other. We move a little bit differently on one side than the other. So having 2 different bells challenges that. Anytime you can challenge your strength with some instability, you're going to make better reaction times, better reactions, better strength in that movement. Next is our hike and our dead stop swings.